I'm Travis. Taka desu.
Jason. I'm Jason.
And today we're gonna show you how to make Dole Pineapple Whip ice cream. Yoroshiku! Alright, so first we're gonna have to open this guy. So Jason, could you open it? And then I'll open this one.
Right, sir? We need help from Mom.
Mom's helping us. So now that we open our pineapple chunks, and Jason is taking forever to open the pineapple juice.
Shut up.
Hurry up. Use the edge to the... There we go. Perfect. So we're gonna need 2 cups of pineapple, or the frozen pineapple. So this is...
It's frozen. No, this is only 1 cup.
Yeah, we need 2 cups then.
So you just use the 2 cups.
Was that one 2 cups? これでも入れないよ全部。There's 2 cups.
There's 2 cups.
Is that 2 cups?
Nope.
Oh. All right. So now that we have 2 TikTok cups of frozen pineapple chunks, we're gonna go ahead and throw 2 cups into the blender.
I don't know if it's gonna fit. I think it's gonna fit. We'll find out.
Put a little bit. Put 1 cup. Good. Now we're gonna get our ice cream. 1, 2. We're gonna put it all in the blender. Put the cap on. And
Wrong way.
Jesus. Blend. It's a smoothie. Dude, you put too much pineapple juice. Anyway, that was a big fail. We don't have any more pineapple chunks.
No, right here. We can try one more time. Try one more time.
It came out. Pineapple
Like a
smoothie.
That's actually a pretty good smoothie.
I'll try it again.
You mean you want to fail again?
Yep, let's try.
Fail again.
All right. Remember, people, we're photographers, not chefs. All right. Anyway, how were your thoughts on the shake?
Good.
Maybe the first one was better. Yeah. Not too much vanilla. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Yeah, I liked it. This one is too much. I think you can put this in the freezer for a little bit. ちょっといい感じになると思うけど、今ねちょっとハワイは暑いから車内でスムーズになりました。じゃあ次はちょっと今日はスパイっていうことで、リベンジを。
毎回もな。コーヒーもね。
コーヒーもスパイだった。やばいね、僕たちは。
いいんじゃない？
いいんじゃない？もう楽しいから。とりあえず次は何作ろうか。あれバタモチ作ろうか。ハワイの夢のそれぐらいやったら作れるでしょ。
はい。
バタモチやったら作れると思う。作れるでしょ。多分。ではありがとうございます。I'm sorry, it's all my fault. Stop.